Ayan, hello guys, hello mga palangga, good morning. So samahan niyo po kami ni Papi ngayon. Samahan niyo po ako ngayon guys. So si Papi tapos na po kami nag-ehersisyo. So ako na naman po ang mag-ehersisyo ngayong umaga. So good morning everyone. Today is July 9, 2026. Ang araw ngayon ng Huwebes guys. So today, ako lang po muna ang mag-ehersisyo, magalaw-galaw sa aking katawan. Kasi kanina, tapos na po kami ni Papi nagsasayaw at nag-ehersisyo guys. So ngayon, ako na naman po ang mag-ehersisyo ngayon. So good morning everyone. Kumusta po ang inyong kabuntagon, ang inyong Thursday morning? Magandang umaga sa lahat. Ayan. Shout out to all my viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much everyone for always supporting our channel. Thank you guys. And yun po, I love you all. And yan ang palagi kong sinasabi sa inyo. Magdadasal at mag-ingat po tayo palagi. So ngayong araw, ngayong umaga, tapos na po ako nag-inom ng aking gamot. At ngayon is igalaw-galaw ko na naman po yung aking katawan. So mayong buntag. Kumusta ang inyong kabuntagon guys? So mag-ehersisyo po ako ngayon guys. So mild lang po ito. Kasi po, hindi pa masyadong okay po ang aking pangangatawan. So, ayan, shout out to all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 6, 47, 48, 49, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 lang sa guys, kay poy-poy akong abaga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 37, 38, 39, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 35, 36, 37, 38, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Unya na lang! Dapat ko sudan! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ayan. Kapuya guys. Ay. Ayan, tapos na po ako nag-ehersisyo guys. Thank you for watching and I love you all. Mua mua.